Can you imagine your factory car radio can be an intelligent Android system? Now, that can easily come true by this Picasso box. It's really cool, right? Once plugged into car USB port, it can easily turn factory Apple CarPlay into another Android system. Insert a SIM card, then you can make phone call and get access to internet. With built-in Bluetooth module, Bluetooth music, and hands-free phone call are available. Moreover, you can connect wall-LAN hotspot for fast internet surfing, watching video in YouTube or Netflix.
Water out of those mushrooms and get flavor. Set up.
Playing games. Install more apps from Google Play. One click to release running memory quickly.